Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get your money from HoneyBook. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to share my tips and tricks with you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to say that I'm not affiliated with HoneyBook in any way. I'm just a small business owner who uses HoneyBook to manage my clients' invoices. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Create an invoice. The first step is to create an invoice in HoneyBook. To do this, go to the Invoices tab and click on the New Invoice button. Once you're in the invoice creation screen, you'll need to fill in some basic information about the invoice, such as the client's name, address, and invoice number. You'll also need to add the items or services that you're billing for, as well as the price of each item or service. Once you've filled in all of the information, click on the Save button. Step 2. Send the invoice to your client. Once you've saved your invoice, you can send it to your client. There are a few different ways to do this. You can email the invoice to your client. You can print the invoice and mail it to your client. You can use HoneyBook's online invoicing feature to send the invoice to your client. If you choose to use HoneyBook's online invoicing feature, your client will receive an email notification that their invoice is ready to be viewed. They can then click on the link in the email to view and pay the invoice online. Step 3. Track your invoice. Once you've sent your invoice to your client, you can track its status in HoneyBook. To do this, go to the Invoices tab and click on the Sent tab. From here, you can see the status of each of your invoices. You can also see when your client viewed the invoice and when they paid it. Step 4. Get paid. Once your client has paid the invoice, you can get paid. HoneyBook will automatically deposit the payment into your bank account. If you're not using HoneyBook's online invoicing feature, you'll need to collect the payment from your client yourself. You can do this by mailing them a check or by having them pay you in cash. Tips for getting paid faster. Here are a few tips for getting paid faster. Send your invoices as soon as possible after you complete the work. Include a due date on your invoices. Send your invoices to your client's attention. Follow up with your clients if they haven't paid the invoice yet. Offer a discount for early payment. Getting paid from HoneyBook is easy. Just follow the steps outlined in this article and you'll be on your way to getting paid faster. I hope this article has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.